Hi and welcome in a new video. Today we will explore the decision matrix tool and how we can use to make a selection decision based on criteria or KPIs. The decision matrix, aka grid analysis and Pew matrix analysis, allows you to choose by providing a measurable method that enables you to select based on evaluation values or key performance indicators, KPIs. For example, you would like to buy a laptop and need to ensure you select the right product based on criteria that reflect your needs. How to create the decision matrix. In this example, we will create a decision matrix to evaluate some ideas and decide which idea is viable. We will name the ideas, Idea 1, 2 and 3, and set the evaluation criteria to the following: competency, cost, viability, the desirability of the consumer, alignment with the company's strategy. First, create a table where the columns represent the evaluation criteria, and rows include the choices A, B, C, and D. Establish a rating scale for each criterion. The rating should range from 1 equals less importance and 5 equals high importance. Add these rates under each criterion in the table. Then, rate each idea based on each criterion. 1 means that the idea is least qualified based, and 5 means that the idea is very qualified in terms of the selected criteria. For example, idea A rated 1 based on competency, which means that the idea is less desirable in terms of market competency. Now, we need to calculate the weighted score for each idea based on each criterion. The weighted value is a result of the multiplication of the criteria rank and the idea rank as demonstrated below. Idea A weight equal criteria rank times the idea score. Based on this, idea B weight equals 72. Accordingly, idea B is the highest rated in terms of the predefined criteria. The decision matrix tool aims to eliminate the confusion and select between different ideas based on predefined criteria. It does not limit creativity as it comes in a later stage where ideas are already defined. Click on the link below the video to download the free decision matrix template. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tools and videos.